Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to change your email signature on Outlook Office 365 in 2026. Now Outlook lets you update your signature anytime so that your emails always show the right contact details. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open Outlook application on your computer, or you can also log in into Outlook on the web. Now, once you are inside the Outlook dashboard, you just have to hover over to the top right hand corner of the screen and click on this settings icon or this gear icon. Now it is going to open the settings layout in front of you. So over here by default you will be on the mail tab, but you just have to simply click on the option of the accounts tab in the left hand side. Over here simply click on the option of signatures. This is the section where you are going to see all of your signatures profile. So here you can just simply edit the signature that you have added over here. If you want to create a new signature, simply click on the option of new signature. After that, provide the name of your signature. Then just simply type your signature here. So in the large text box below, you can type out the signature exactly as you want it to appear. You can also use the formattings tool that are given here in the bottom so that it would be very easy for you to manage your signature. So once you do this, you just have to click on the option of insert here, and when you click on the option of insert or save button, this will be saved successfully. So once your design is finished, you can look for the section label, select default signature. You can use the drop down menu to select the new signature for the new messages or for the replies or the forwards. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.